India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda, and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
दिसाक आमकां 1 वा 2 केसी अशें केन्नाय केन्नाय मेळटात. चडशीं आमची सॅम्पलां नेगेटीव येतात. आमी अरावंड 25 to 30 सॅम्पल्स डेली धाडटा आनी आमकां चडशे नेगेटीव मेळटात, केन्नाय 1 वा 2 पॉझिटीव अशें मेळटा. On an average, per week we get about 60-70 cases of suspected dengue, because confirmatory test is not done at the local private labs. It's only we who send the samples for dengue. So out of the samples we send, we get a very few of them confirmed for dengue. So in the last week we had done about 100, we just got about 7 confirmed. But आमी कितें करता, suspected dengue सुद्दां NS1 test positive जालें जाल्यार we take it very seriously आणि दर NS1 पॉझिटिव्ह केसी फाटल्यानूय आमी फूल प्रूफ मेजर करता, because we don't want to take a risk of the spread of dengue, because confirmatory testaक time लागता. So we don't wait for the confirmatory test. For every NS1 positive sent from the private labs or done in our laboratory at PHC Konkani, आमी full measures घेता. If we are able to remove the breeding sites, the anti-larval and fogging measures will be very effective and we will be able to control the dengue in very short period of time.